Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be driving this beautiful Golf MK7.5R. It's an inline 4-cylinder turbocharged producing up to 300 horsepower. Engine stock, no tune, but it has an Eventuri intake and an IPE Catback exhaust. Sounds amazing. It's fully forged carbon. It has forged carbon hood, forged carbon side mirror covers, forged carbon spoilers, front lip, interior steering wheel, and it has the Recaro seats as well, which reduces the weight of the car. Soon we'll be tuning this car once the weather gets better. As you can see, it's too hot. It's around 40 degrees in the day. So yeah, once the weather gets better, we're gonna be tuning this car and enjoying it in cold ride. So we are here in Square Track. It's a private area where you can come and enjoy your car. There's drag race, drifting, as you can see, there's marks all over. So it's a private area and it's safe and secure. So let's start the engine and hear how it sounds.